Alright guys, I'm about to start taking this apart to get the factory downpipe out. I hear there's an easier way of doing it, possibly removing the center drive shaft and coming out the bottom. I'm gonna see, and I'll let you know. I'm gonna start taking this apart now. Alright guys, before we get started, I was watching a video on YouTube the other day, and the guy mentioned that, you know, he has a lot of viewers on this channel that are watching videos and nobody subscribes to his channel, which it kind of made sense. If you're gonna get some value out of somebody's video and you're gonna watch it more than once, or you're gonna learn something, subscribe to the channel. It's not gonna cost you or hurt you. It'll keep that person motivated to bring you more videos and better content. We'll get this intercooler off. What is that, 10mm? I will be upgrading to a, what did I buy? I bought a CX Racing front mount intercooler. I'm going with the Corksport turbo, so I figured the stock one probably won't be too good. Again, I'll try to comment. I'll try to reply to all your comments. And while we're on the subject, let's talk about that Corksport turbo. You know, the popular ones are the B&R S3 and the B&R S4, and I don't know if the Corksport's that popular, but why did I choose the Corksport? Well, for one, I do kind of have a budget. Well, not really a budget, but I have multiple cars. I have cars that are way more powerful than this one, and I just wanted to soup this one up a little bit. And the Corksport comes with the 3.5 bar map sensor that plugs right into the factory harness, and the turbo was $1,099 plus shipping, of course. The B&R S3 that I was looking at, I think it was the same price, $10.99, but it didn't come with the 3.5 bar map sensor. That was, I believe, a Bosch one, $75 on the Edge Autosports, and you needed a harness to adapt it that was $50. So you have an increased cost right there. And from what I've read so far, the Corksport turbo is comparable to a in-between, I guess they say, a B&R S3 and a B&R S4. So I figured, why not? So that's what's going in here. Let's get this battery out of the way. I'm hoping that the battery still fits in here with maybe a little small modification. I'm going with the JBR 3.5 inch intake. I did an unboxing video. If you haven't seen it, check that out. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the Corksport intake yet that I put on not too long ago. Perhaps if we get a certain amount of subscribers to my channel and people like and comment, perhaps I will select somebody and give it away. Alright, so I'm going to remove the intercooler, the battery, and take the airbox off. I'm going to throw in some tunes. I'm going to speed this up and throw in some music. Alright guys, I'm about to loosen up this downpipe hopefully from the turbo. These bolts don't look too bad, but I don't know, it's not looking promising from that thing coming in or coming out from the bottom. Trying to be careful with the AC line right here. Loose. This 6-point socket's not going to let me get the leverage I need. Alright, so I'm switching over to a 12-point. And that'll be okay. These bolts aren't that rusted. Okay. Once I break them loose, I'll get a ratchet in there. So it's 2, 3. Change this up. One more. Alright guys, so oh good you could see this. I don't know if that's I don't think there's enough room for that to come out by taking the drive shaft off. I can't really see, man. They stuffed this car up. So I'm going to take the race pipe off and go from there. Trying to get this race pipe off. One thing I hate about cars is the exhaust system. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust all off the downpipe. My light died, so I'm waiting for the battery to charge. There is no way that pre-cat or that catalytic converter is coming out the bottom. taking the drive shaft off or not. So I'll have to disconnect the motor mounts and pull this thing forward and get that thing up through there. Wait for some more light. I don't know how I ever survived with a little light like this. It's unbelievable. You guys want some good lighting? I got this. So it's a Milwaukee M12 under hood light, and the thing is awesome.